2011 Dodge Journey. What's wrong with this car? I crank it. As soon as I remove the cables, it cuts off. So it's bad alternator or bad battery. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna start this car again. Car is running now again. Check the alternator. Okay, according to this, the alternator is good. Alright? This is the problem with these cars. If the battery is bad, the car is gonna cut off no matter what. Even the alternator is good. It's weird on this car. Normally, if you unplug the battery and the battery is bad, it's still running, but this car cut off. So change the battery.